It's been a fortnight since Donald Trump fired his first shot, threatening 10% additional import tariffs on goods from China. Then a week ago, the US Commerce Department fired the second salvo, adding 140 more names to its list of companies subject to stringent export controls. These companies manufacture equipment used to make computer chips, chip-making tools, and software. Nearly all are based in China. Some are Chinese-owned businesses in Japan, South Korea, and Singapore. The new rules also limit exports of high-bandwidth memory chips to China. Such chips are critical to advanced applications such as artificial intelligence. China has now hit back by targeting the one name which has enthralled the world with its semiconductor tech, NVIDIA. China on Monday launched an investigation into the Jensen Huang-led company over suspected violations of the country's anti-monopoly law. The move is being widely seen as a retaliatory shot against Washington's curbs on the Chinese chip sector. A statement from the State Administration for Market Regulation announcing the probe did not elaborate on how the US company, known for its artificial intelligence and gaming chips, might have violated China's anti-monopoly laws. It, however, said the US chipmaker was suspected of violating commitments it made during its acquisition of Israeli chip designer Mellanox Technologies under terms outlined in the regulator's 2020 conditional approval of that deal. NVIDIA's shares closed 2.5% lower on Monday, but the company still remains one of the few with a market cap of above $3 trillion. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.